Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuides. Today I will show you how to create a green screen icon in Canva. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an updates from us. So let's start. First of all, you can see here I am here in Canva workspace. To obtain green screen icon, first of all go to Elements and search for rectangle. Then hit enter and choose this shape as rectangle. Then over here you can change its color to green. Now I am choosing this one. Okay, you can see here is one rectangle whose color is green. Then drag it to fill the whole background. You can see here our green screen is created. Now to add icons, search for any icons like moving man. You can see here is one icon of moving man. You can see here I have created one green screen icon in Canva. Now to download, click on share and click download. Over here you can choose your format as GIF and adjust your size according to your need and hit download. In this way we can create green screen icon in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.